YouTube, it's your girl Kim back with another video. So in today's video, I'm sure you guys can tell by the title, I'm going to be giving you guys an update about this hair that I'm wearing from the Raw Virgin Hair Boutique. But before we get into the video, you guys know what I ask. If you like the content that I post, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell for post notifications, and if you like the video, just like the video. Also, comment down below. You guys know I love engaging with you guys in the comment section. And if you're here, you know, you're supporting me, I appreciate the new supporters, my continued support from my original supporters. And if you're here watching my content, you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. So I'm going to be giving you guys the pros and the cons, and you guys know, I'm going to be giving you guys the facts, the Kim facts. I like transparency here on my channel because, again, I treat your money the way I would treat my money, and if I'm not going to buy it, I'm not going to recommend that you guys buy it. So let's just get right into it. I did take some notes on my phone just because you guys know I can get all caught up in hair and just completely forget, and I don't want to do that. So first things first, I want to go over, if you guys watch the unboxing video, I'm going to leave a link for that down below. I told you that there were stains on the twist ties. The stains to me kind of resemble like hair marks. So that kind of made me feel as though the hair might have been dyed. In addition to that, I noticed once I actually took a closer look at the bundles after they had been co-washed, that the ends of the hair were a little bit darker than the roots. I don't know why that would be, and that was consistent for all three bundles. In order for me to make sure I wasn't going crazy, I asked my boyfriend to take a look at it, and he was able to verify what I was seeing. I did try my best to take a picture of it for you guys, but unfortunately the human eye can see things that a camera can't pick up. Well, not the cameras that I have. I ain't got that kind of money. So I wasn't able to really capture a picture. If I go through my pictures again and I see any of them that, kind of show it, I'll put it up here or here, but I doubt, because I wasn't able to see it when I was reviewing those photos, no matter what lighting I put it in. So, that I guess is a claim or a Kim fact that I'm not going to be able to show you guys. So aside from that, the only other thing that I've noticed with the hair is that the ends seem to be a little bit drier. Now, I did notice this after I co-washed the hair, that the ends felt a little dry, maybe towards like the very end. Now, I didn't cut this. I wanted to make sure I actually wore it first before I actually took any of the hair off. So this is the actual hair in its original state, original length. But I am going to end up dusting just the ends just a little bit, like maybe like a ½ inch, just because I wanted to feel a little bit smoother at the ends. Now, another thing that I noticed, and I really hate to compare hair companies when I'm doing a video about one hair company, but I feel as though in this video it's necessary in order for you guys to understand where I'm coming from. So 2 hair companies reached out to me when I was in Trinidad about reviewing hair. One of which you guys have seen the video on my channel. I'm not going to mention their name. They both said that they do raw Cambodian hair. Now, not to say like the issue that I have with that is that both companies sent me what's supposed to be the exact same hair texture, but they both feel very different. Now, with this hair, I say all that because I don't believe this is Cambodian hair. I feel like this is closer to like maybe like an Indian or maybe even a Brazilian, because it's a little bit silkier. Now, I'm not an expert on raw Cambodian hair, so what I did was I referred to Google and I went to, a couple of sites and tried to figure out, and everyone said the same thing, that raw Cambodian hair is a little bit coarser of a texture and it's a little bit lower of a luster, which is the reason why I believe this may not be Cambodian hair. I am going to insert an image up here or here, as well as a description as to what they say raw Cambodian hair is supposed to be. Now, with all of that said, whatever kind of hair it is, and now I said these are Kim facts, so there's no way for me to actually prove it, but just based on what I saw online, I have no issues with the hair so far. Like, I haven't worn it because everyone knows that everyone's on quarantine, so I haven't been able to go out. This is supposed to be like my work wig. Now, your girl just put this on. Oh yeah, I made a wig. I didn't make a video on how I made the wig, but I have a video on my channel of how I made a wig with a closure. So I'll link that down below if you guys want to see how I did that. But like I said, this is supposed to be my work wig. When I put this on in my bathroom now, I was feeling myself a little bit. I'm like, the curl pattern, like this is the natural curls, like I said before, and absolutely love it. Like, I don't want to wear this to work. Like, work is not worthy of this wig. Like, you feel me? Like, it's just not, it's not. And this is 3 bundles of hair. And normally, like, when I make a wig, because I don't really like hair to be like too full and too heavy, I normally only do like 2 bundles. and a closure. That's like more my speed for this length of hair. But I'm like, you know, there's no point in me keeping this extra bundle of hair because what am I going to do with it? I have no other hair from this hair company to be able to do anything, so I had to just fit it all in there. And when I made the wig, now one thing that I noticed is that the wefts are sewn, they're double wefted, and it is, what is it? Yeah, double wefted and single drawn, which is the hair it tapers out towards the end. If I'm wrong on, I may have mixed up the terminology. If I did, I'm going to put it up here or here on the screen. But then it thins out to the end. So if you guys go back to my unboxing video when I mentioned that there were a decent amount of short hair strands, what I didn't notice is that there are long pieces, and like I said, there are still some short pieces in between. Now, I don't mind because I don't like hair that's too heavy. So in this case, like, well, I can't say I've noticed any tangling because I haven't actually worn the wig. I haven't been able to go anywhere just like everybody else. So I can't say that, you know, if that's going to cause tangling or not until I'm actually able to wear it. So please stay tuned for the update on that. However, I don't mind it being thinner towards the end because, so I made a wig and it was all like the same length and it was double drawn. Yes. Fuller at the ends, that's what it is, double drawn. Fuller at the ends, and it was heavy, and I had to, like, use thin-in shears. I'm going to put a picture up here or here. I have a pair of those. So you guys can see what they are, to thin out the ends just because the hair was so heavy. So I don't actually mind that the ends are a little bit thinner because I like the way that it looks. I like the way that it falls. Even though I have more hair on this wig than I normally like to have for a wig of this length, it doesn't look heavy. And if anybody knows, like, I don't like when hair looks heavy. I know it's a wig. We know it's a weave. It's not mine. But I still want it to look like a nice natural fullness, if you know what I mean. And like, I feel like this is giving me that. Like the hair luster is smooth, it lifted perfectly. I do have a video of me actually bleaching this hair. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in the timeline or if I'm just going to put it up here or here so you guys can see what that process was like. Now my method is mad. Or maybe I'll do that in a separate video because it's quite a long video. I think I'll do it like that. I'm going to put it in a separate video and I'm going to link it down below. I might upload both of those on the same day. Now you'll see on the video, even though the video is going to be sped up, like this hair started to lift really, really quickly, which I like. Like I didn't have to sit and wait for it. Once I was done, like basing the bleach, I think I might have waited about 20 or 30 minutes just because, you know, I started in the back first and I wanted to make sure the front caught up. I didn't want to have like hair that was lighter than the other or vice versa. So I did leave it on there for a little bit, but it lifted beautifully. Like I don't know if you guys can see the color. Like, did I miss a spot here? What? I might have to go in and put a little chocolate strip here. I did also, before I actually put the wig on, I was contemplating if I was going to tone the wig because I wanted it to be a little bit more chocolatey until I went in my mirror and saw how popping this color was and how popping these curls were. But I absolutely love it. I'm not mad at this hair, like at all mad at this hair. Like it's soft, it's full. Like I've mentioned to you guys, like I can look past a lot of things once the hair functions the way it's supposed to function. Like if I don't have any issues with it, like cons don't matter to me. So she did also offer me a coupon code where you guys can use that to get money off. I'm going to put that coupon code up on the screen and I'm going to leave links for everything down below. But like I said to you guys, I'm not having any issues so far. So as soon as I'm able to go back to work, I will come to you guys and give you guys an update on this wig. And if I decide to tone it to lift it to a little bit chocolatey of a brown where it's still black, I will film that for you guys. But that wraps up this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.